What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology, so I'm just gonna add a couple of pairs. That's enough. Okay, here we don't see any opportunity here, but I think we can go with psychological patterns here. If this candle closes right here with rejection, I will go with sellers, and if it closes here with rejection, I will go with buyers. But it seems that it's breaking to the downside. Okay, still I can go with buyers. Nice touch. There's a round number with 2 zeros. This is going too strong, and strong candles are sign of reversal. And if this candle closes right on this, under this level, I will go with buyers. But still I go with buyers here because you see that there's a level. Okay, this is a strong level. You see how previous time touches and buyers entered immediately. Okay, and for now still it can reverse for one candle. Okay, so it closed right on this level. Now we previously have strong impression from this level, so this is a strong level. Plus it's still strong. You know why? Because we have previously a strong candle, and this seller's candle is so strong that this buyer's candle could conquer that. So this is a strong point to the market. Okay, let's see. Okay, sellers are still in the market, and this candle is so strong that this, it's trying to push down, but you see the buyer's presence is even more. And yeah, beautiful. Okay, that was my first trade. Let's move on. Okay, switch is 2 minutes. Okay, in these kind of situations you just see the uptrend. Okay, like for example, if you consider these candles here, you see, like, I don't know, like if it's a 30 candles, you see like 22 of them are green candles, and 8 of them are red candles. So any logical mind would decide to go with buyers here. Okay, so that's why people, the mentors and everyone who teaches say that always go with the trend. That's the logic behind going with the trend. If you look at this, we have one single red candle and then green candles, one single 3 green, one single red, 3 4 greens, one single. Okay, that's exactly how it works. Okay, so for example, here we have a resistance area. Okay, these areas, but if we don't have any resistance, you see how buyers entry. If you don't have any levels or resistance, why would you go with sellers here? Okay, or you either don't take a trade if you don't see your setup, or you just go with the buyers. Okay, that's simple as that. I go with buyers here. Okay, I go with buyers here because we have 3 strong momentum candles here, and we have still gap to this level. Okay, at least this is the level at least. And if I get a strong red candle here, that's just my luck. Okay, so I'm trading based on something that is profitable. Okay, look past and you see single candles and then green candle. Okay, that's basically how this trend moves. But you gotta be careful that it shouldn't touch the extreme level. Okay, it didn't touch here, but I entered with little safe entry here. You see how unlucky we got this time. Okay, little up, please. Okay, we still have time. Nice. Okay, that was a losing trade. Let me just go one more trade here with buyers, because you see single red candles and then buyers entry. Okay, so that gonna happen here as well, because we didn't touch the level yet. Okay, losing this trade is nothing like, for example, losing this trade is just luck. Okay, you don't worry about that, it's just unlucky. When you get unlucky, sometimes you just don't overthink. Okay, overthinking losing trades is gonna blow your mind. Don't overthink. Okay, if this candle, okay, it seems that there's gonna be a red green pattern, but still there's a gap, so I'm just gonna move on. previously we had strong momentum to the upside, and you see that for now it's trying to create a base. Okay, previously we had bases. Okay, so market's going like this. So here you see the base is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, it's a sign of, you know, weakness in the trend. Okay, so the major uptrend has got weakened here. We zoom in and we work with minor trend. Okay, this is the minor trend, and every time price reaches this bound of the price channel, it bounces up. Okay, for example, I will go with buyers here. If this candle closes right above this price channel, it didn't go like right above that, but I will wait for retracement here. If this candle was closed here, I would go with buyers, but for now it's going so strong. Okay, I can go with a 3-minute or 4-minute trade here as a sell. Okay, let's see. And I will explain one more thing about the price channels, about you know, breaking out the price channels. Okay, after this trade closing. Okay, let's see. Okay, I will start to explain why I took this trade. Okay, as you know, we had a price channel. Okay, previously we had a major uptrend. I explained you that this major uptrend has got weaker. Okay, which created a strong big base, which means that the trend is going weaker. Okay, so we had a price channel like this. Okay, that every time that touches the lower band, it bounces. If it touches and closes on this lower band, I would enter for a buy, but it, you know, broke this bound. Broke this channel from the downside. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something about the price channels and breaking them. Okay, for example, you have a uptrend. Okay, I will explain the downtrend first. Okay, you have a price channel to downtrend. Okay, and price is bouncing from these two you know, areas. Okay, upper band, lower band. And when we have broke to the upside, there's almost 70% chance of having a fake breakout and again bouncing back to the price channel. Okay, but when we have broken from the downside, okay, it's in a downtrend. Okay, we broke from downside. There's, you know, 90% of the times when you broke from downside, it's gonna have a retracement and then it's gonna keep dropping. Okay, you can immediately enter for a 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, depending on the trend. Okay, 4 or 5. So this trade here was these kind of trades in price channels. When we have break from downside, it's most likely a real breakout, and when we have in a downtrend we have broke from the upside, most likely is a fake breakout. Okay, and this is also true in opposite way. For example, when we have a price channel to the upside, when we have broken from the downside, most likely it's going to be a fake breakout and it's going to bounce back from some minutes. And when we have breaking from the upside, most likely it's going to have a pullback and keep going up. Okay, I'm going to draw it clearly for you. Okay, so this is the downtrend setup, and about the uptrend we have a price channel. One of them breaks from the upside. Okay, most likely it's gonna bounce back to this range, and one of them, I'm sorry, I just, okay, when we have broken to the upside, most likely it's gonna pull back and then keep going up. Okay, depending on the trend, you can go 5 or 4 minutes, okay, as a buy. And when we have a uptrend price channel and we broke from downside, most likely it's gonna fake breakout. Okay, So you don't trust this break. And yeah, that's it about the price channels. I will take one more trade and then just leave this. I'm gonna just end the video. Okay, see a strong momentum. You see long wicks here. What's going on here? It seems that the market is a little choppy, so I will try to enter with marginal safety. Okay, I either go with this the sellers on this level. It'll go up, please. 31. Okay, it goes a little more up. Okay, it didn't go up. Okay, I missed the entry. I could have been entered here, but no problem. Let's change the pairs. Okay, these are all bad markets, and in bad markets it's better to enter with marginal safety. Okay, we have a level here. Okay, I will enter for 4 minutes here because it seems that we broke this price channel to the upside and we have a higher high, so the price should go up here. Let's see, and let's wait for the results. Okay, I will draw the price channels for you to see better in the line. Okay. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, we're back. Look at this. Wow, that is crazy. Okay, we lost this trade, but normally we would win this trade because, you know, the news is in the market, and yeah, that they release some news, it's gonna reject. But you know, the time we entered, that's pretty, you know, bad timing. Anyways, yeah, that's how it works when you have a price channel. And it's uptrend, like uptrend price channel. It's gonna the breakout from the upside is gonna be true breakout most of the time, and breakout from the downside is gonna be fake breakout. Okay, that's how it works. And if you look this area, we also had a price channel which was a downtrend, and we break from downside, and that was a real breakout. You could have been taken a 5-minute trade here as well. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, I have to say thank you for all your support. So we just hit the 300 subscribers, and that's amazing. That's amazing. I never expected that, you know, you support me like this. Thank you, and keep practicing in demo. There's a link in the description as a free demo account. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.